Hi, what is data and what is in data? Why do we keep old handwritten documents of completely unknown people? They hide treasures. Their stories are not part of a wider narrative telling the fate of a people. A personal text is the whole vision of a world in one document. We all constantly use and reuse text to create meaning. Citizens, politicians, but also researchers. Meaning is data shaped by interpretation, so-called hermeneutics. By understanding how meaning is formed, you can take control over these narratives, which are more than just storytelling. They are a form of reenactment that defines how we shape our future. This is a power game where nothing less than our common future is at stake. You should not miss it. I am Tabea Hirzel. I lead the Learning for Tech community and create content for the future classroom. I invite you to participate in my workshop at the upcoming Europeana 2022 in September.